Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss finding the LCM using prime factorization. LCM means lowest common multiple, or we called least common multiple. So prime factorization, in last class we can discuss about prime factorization, how to we can factorize the some of the numbers by using prime number. So using the prime factorization we can find the LCM. Let's we learn now. See, the finding the LCM of, for example, 12 and 32. You take 12 and 32, least the multiples of 12 and 32. See, the multiples of 12 is 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, etc. So multiples of 32 is 32, 64, 96. So the lowest common multiple is 96. So let's we find out by prime factorization how to find the LCM by using prime factorization. Now we know the LCM of 12 and 32 is 96. Okay, we can using prime factorization. I show you one problem. Using prime factorization, we can find out the LCM of 12 and 32. For example, you take 12 as you expand the factor 2 into 6, 6 again it will be divided as 2 into 3, 32 written 4 into 8, or 8 fours are again 4 will be written as 2 into 2, and 8 will be written as 2 into 4. 4 again expanded by 2 into 2. Now see here 2, 2, 3. The final prime factors are 2, 2, 3. 6 will be written as 2 into 3. 2 and 3 both are prime numbers. So let's we stop here. This 2 already prime number. So it stops here. In this case 4 will be written as 2 into 2. 8 will be written as 2 into 4. Again 4 will be written as 2 into 2. So see, in the last terms all are prime number. 2 is a prime number, so we can stop here. Next the step is make a column of 12 and 32. Write down the numbers. First 32 prime numbers are here 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. You write here like this, arrange in column. Next 2, 2 and 3. 3 is right in last digit because it's a separate prime number. So you make it as a common in the final method. Use factor from every column. For example, write last column as LCM. Here 12 and 32 is LCM. In right last column, 2 write common prime numbers. 2, 2 is nothing but 2. 2 and 2, 2 again, write 2, 2, 2, and last one is 3. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 into 2 is 34, 32. 32 into 3 is, it is 32 into 3 is 96. So 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9, 96. So this way we can find out the LCM by prime factorization. Prime factorization. Let's we learn. So now we know the method how it works. First find out the method. First find out the prime numbers.